Here we come to the freight elevator at the Cain Physics Building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. This is connected to the John Walker Mechanical Engineering. It's a classic Dover from 1984. B. I remember this elevator from at least a year or two ago when I filmed this. Oh, they covered up the roof hatch. Well, that's unfortunate. Go to 4. They unfortunately covered that up. Looks like you got to hear the motor well, at least, but even though it was kind of faint. Actually, I want to go outside and ring the bell. The motor is quite faint, but at least you can still hear it well. All right, let's go back down to 1, and we'll end there. Well, at least, well, actually, you can still actually kind of see up there. Maybe just a little, but not too much. Anyways, I actually have a TX30 take on this from a very long time ago of me looking into an elevator shaft. Back when that roof door was open at a time. But that's actually an old video I took from back in 2017 when I wrote this thing the first time. That gate is obnoxious. Let's close it up. Are you going up?
All good to go.
There we go.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
All right, we're gonna watch it close. All right, there it goes, and that's it.